Hi, this is Jim Bottrell, broker and founder of Ardent Real Estate Service, Jim Bottrell team. You know us as that real estate team that does all that great charity work for our wounded veterans and, of course, the kids over at Rady's Children's Hospital. If you've got kids, it means you probably went to Rady's. And, of course, we're thankful. Everything we have today is due to those veterans that have sacrificed so much. So we do everything we possibly can for them. I'm a veteran myself, so I know what it's like. Anyway, I want to tell you about a new listing we have. This one's in Murrieta. This is a nice 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It's just under 1,500 square feet. It's aggressively priced starting in the high 300th. This one is on a corner lot, has vaulted ceilings, tile flooring, recessed lighting. This is a great backyard. This is a really, really nice house. So let's say you are thinking about selling a home and you want to buy this house, but you're stuck in that catch-22. Do I sell my home first and then may possibly end up homeless? Or do I try and get 2 mortgages at once or make contingent offers? And none of those are really good solutions, by the way, but we do work through all of them. Anyway, the Bottrell team, we have a trade-up guarantee that we can actually either guarantee the sale of your old home or outright buy your home so that you can make a non-contingent offer on this home. You don't see that anywhere else. Well, we sell a lot more houses, so we can do more. And also remember the Bottrell team's buyer satisfaction guarantee. Buy any home through the Bottrell team or buy one of the Bottrell team's listings. And if you decide you don't love that home in the first 18 months, you go ahead and just give me a call and I will buy that home back from you. So I'm reversing all the risk. Now, if you're just thinking of selling a home, call me, Jim Bottrell, the Bottrell team. Your home is sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it myself. Call me, start packing.